Listen, I already told you that he's cheating on you in your future, so you could either get it together and dump his ass, or you could just be his little play toy for the rest of your life. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I didn't see you there. There's these weird people filming me. Just kidding, I did. I just don't really care. I gotta go. The stars have aligned. You feeling some type of way? Are you feeling some type of way? We got you. Hey all you Lehos, guess what time it is? Party time! And this time, we're celebrating you. Your two favorite things, parties and yourself. Lately you may have been feeling pretty dull, but don't worry, a plot twist in your career is on its way. You're a natural born leader, and now's your time to prove it. Your courage and creativity will not go unnoticed. Because you never go unnoticed. Because you're a Leo. You spent the last year sharing the spotlight, but now it's time to push everyone aside and take center stage. That really shouldn't be that hard for you. You're not a babysitter. You like to be babysat, because you're a baby, but not in an emotional way, like cancers. Doing what you love makes you shine. Others will have to jump on the Leo train if they want to enjoy the ride. Choo-choo. Passion is on the rise, and you're feeling busty and lusty. Hope you have your sexy time undies on. I know I do. New adventures are on their way. Sparks could fly with someone foreign to you, and long-distance relationships could heat up. Coupled up Lehos should go on a vacation or two. Think pegging across the world. London, Paris, maybe Tokyo. Pegging. Famous Leos include Barack Obama, Madonna, J-Lo and J-Law, and most importantly, my mom. Hi, Mom. Not a Leo, but want to know what the stars have in store for you? Call me now. Rawr.